Contact forms are the simplest and fastest way your users can get in touch with you. It's also super easy to make. Let us show you the most convenient way you can create a contact form for your WordPress website using Fluent Forms. Let's go. Head to the Fluent Forms dashboard, hit Add a new form. A pop-up window will appear with over 70 pre-built templates sorted in 11 categories. Full customization of these templates is just at the tip of your finger. You can choose from any of these pre-built templates here, but we're gonna build one from scratch to show you. Click blank form from here or simply hit create a blank form. Now you're at the form editor page. Click here to give your form a name. If you're using Fluent Forms, you will be offered tons of input fields under 4 different categories: general fields, advanced fields, container, and payment fields. However, we're not gonna need a lot of input fields to create a simple contact form. Drag and drop any fields that you want from here. Tweak them any way you like. A basic contact form will need name field, email field, and message. You can make them required if you want. The available options let you add different accents to your forms. As you can see, you get a lot of options to tweak your form. Once all that's done, hit Save Form to save all the work that you have done up until this point. Hit Preview to get a grasp of what the form will look like from your customer's perspective. If you're creating a form like us with Fluent Forms, you can make it a lot more engaging. You can use the step form or use the conditional logic for your convenience. This can actually give your form a clean and sleek look. Happy with your form? Great! Head back to the form builder then, and copy the shortcode by clicking the form ID here. Go to your page and paste it there. You can also create a new page to add the form. That's it, you have completed creating a form with Fluent Forms. Told you it would be easy. Explore it further to take it to the next level. You have all the tools that you will need. Well, that wraps up the video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to WPManageNinja, manage life, be fluent.